You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. Getting close to Christmas this year in 2020. Now, I did some shopping, not a lot. I found this at Five Below. It is the Hershey's chocolate drink maker. Now, I like anything that's branded like this. And after I've been looking at the box now, studying, I'm thinking to myself, is it really making chocolate milk or is it mixing chocolate milk? It's not a dispenser. At least I don't think it is. Ages 6+. Unless you're storing the liquid somewhere. Looking at this side, they show it without the cup. This looks like a little mixer beater, doesn't it? So I think when you crank the handle up and down, that little mixer there just mixes what you have in the cup. What are you thinking? Let's see. I don't think we can get much more from the box. Try one of these great products to make the perfect Hershey's chocolate beverage. Then this side, there's really nothing on the top. Let's see the bottom. Okay, not much there. Distributed by Generate LLC. And then the back is kind of just like a repeat of this. Try one of these great products. So really, it's not telling you much. It says it includes the drink maker plus 2 cups and instructions. Instructions on how to make chocolate milk. Well, let's see. Let's get it out of the box. Okay, so what is this thing? This Hershey's chocolate drink maker. Is it a maker? I don't know. We will find out. Okay, there we go. There's my cups. There's this thing. I don't know what that is. And my instructions are way on the bottom. Okay, oh, that's the handle. Let's see. Before use, wash unit. Okay, I'll do it. Nice little paper cups, though. I like the design on those. That's pretty neat. It's kind of themed for chocolate, I guess, with the different colors and the brown on the side of the cup. Does this come apart? Okay, so this doesn't come apart. So yeah, this is just what you would call a mixer. What? Is that what it does? Up and down, attaching handle, engage mixer, locking handle. And that's it. That's my mixing? All right, let me see. Let me read this here. Okay, frothing, mixing tips. Oh, batteries. Well, I was looking at the bottom. There's more to the story. Did it say anywhere on the box requires batteries? It does not. That's what threw me for a loop. It doesn't say anywhere that it requires batteries. I didn't even get batteries or a tool. All right, now we know that's going to spin. And then this just goes up and down in your cup. It seems rather not smooth. Okay, so it locks up and then you can push it down. All right, I'll tell you, let me get some tools. Let me wash. What do I wash? Whole milk, okay. Before you just wash unit with warm water. This is the only thing that touches the... Yeah, very interesting. That's all that's in there is just this and the slide, so there's not much going on there. All right, let me wash it, get some tools, get the batteries. Ooh, get some supplies here, and I'll make the perfect chocolate milk. All right, so I took it to the sink. It says, before use, wash unit with warm... I don't know what that was. Something fell behind me. See cleaning tips on the reverse side. Never fully immerse the Hershey's drink maker in water. Wipe exterior of the machine with towel and warm soapy water. Well, you know, I did put this in warm soapy water and clean that, but let's just forge ahead, huh? If you notice, I brought in my new mug from a recent video. Those of you who watched that video would know exactly what that mug is from. But to no avail, it does not fit. So, my new Hershey mug with my new Hershey chocolate milk maker. It's just not flowing right now. Things are not flowing. Hopefully the milk is flowing soon. There's just something about it that seems really confusing. It's going to make the tiniest glass of chocolate milk. Because I was reading the instructions, which they don't give you any recipe, or what you just basically make your own chocolate milk, which is fine. I'm fine with that. Did it say in instructions? Okay, so no recipes. You just fill the cup 3/4 full. So you're taking a tiny Dixie cup and not filling it all the way. Now, it did say when the handle's in the down position, it automatically starts. Let's just see. Whoa. It's kind of interesting. Ooh. Look at that thing. All right, let's figure this out. Oh, look. I want to get my mug in there. I can't. Now the mug becomes a prop. It says you can use a different cup just as long as it fits. What do I have? Nothing else that would really fit in that space. I have maybe... let's take a quick walk over here and look at these. Alright, so looking at this collection of glasses here, quite a few of them, this was what caught my eye. Maybe this little guy, or this little school bus glass. So let's grab these two, and then we'll see which one works. Oh, take a look at all the different glassware and items I have in this section. Okay, well, I grabbed this one off my shelf, and then this one doesn't fit either, so that's out of the picture. That's about the size of these cups, so at least it's a different cup. I don't know, 3/4 of a cup. Let's just give this a shot here. Let's quit talking and start making. Place cup on mixing. Okay, place the ingredients of your drink in the cup provided, or similar sized cup, according to the instructions. Fill the cup approximately 3/4 full. Okay, let's see, 3/4. The tiniest beverage ever. Okay, the way that thing spins, I'm just having this feeling that things are just gonna fly everywhere in this tiny cup. I'm gonna make 3 just so we can. Okay, there we go. I'm using this Hershey Simple 5 syrup. 5 simple ingredients. I like it really chocolatey, but ooh, let's just do that one first. Let's just get this cup in here. All right, I have no idea what's going to happen. Lock that up. Put that in there. And there's grooves on the bottom. It must catch all of the different liquid that's possibly flying around. All right, here we go. You kind of have to hold it at the top. All right. Can you see them there good enough? Here we are. Our perfect chocolate milk. Okay. Oh, it's working. That's why they say 3/4. It started to move. All right, let's see if we can get, do we get any froth? I think we did get some froth. Let me grab a spoon here. It's very bubbly. Bubbly is good. Spoon. Nice. Okay. I don't think it's chocolatey enough. Let us drink this, get some of the, so we can see. I'm going to say more chocolate in number 2. Well, it is the tiniest of chocolate milks. Now we're talking. Let's see what happens. You see it's leaking down there on the bottom now? Let's wipe that up. So that's probably like a little drip tray down there. But the drip tray looks like it goes through. So it would go through to your countertop. Here we go. Let's see if we can get right in there and watch this thing go. All right, here we are. Drop and mix. That should be the slogan on the box. And the drink shops, they go like this, don't they? When they make your milkshake, they're like, oh, what just happened? I think I hit the side. Stop it. It's getting frothy, though. It said for an even frothier beverage, heat up the milk. Okay, let us see. Beverage number 2. Much nicer is in regards to the darkness. I think you got to go even more. You got a lot of frothy there in your chocolate milk. This. Well, if you like Hershey products, you're going to like this maker because it does what it says, just not in vast quantities. So if you want a mini-me little cup of chocolate milk, I'll tell you what, let me warm this one up. I'm going to come back, warm it up, and we'll see what it says. It says right here, warming milk first can make for a sweeter froth. Let's see what that means. Okay, so now this has been warmed up for 1 minute in the microwave. There you go. Let's make it even chocolatier. Can you make it chocolatier? Yes, we can. Look at that. Ooh, that's going to be chocolatey. It looks like this came out really nice, actually. It's holding its froth and everything. All right. Here we go. Let's just let that run. Let me get you right into the little mixing part. Here we go. And a 1, and a 2, and a... Okay, sticky. Okay. And I wonder if powder mix is going to work the same. I have not tested it with powder. I should get some powder. I know I've got... Oh, look at that. It almost looks like a little espresso, doesn't it? With that froth on the top. Yeah, that's pure, airy, frothy, chocolatey milk goodness. Ooh. It is sweeter, but it's sweeter because I put 3 times as much chocolate in there. Here we go. Let me taste it. Oh, it makes a nice chocolate milk, let me tell you that. All right, let me just try one with powdered milk. I should try that one time. I mean powdered chocolate, not powdered milk. Okay, I am back. I went on the hunt for some Hershey's cocoa. I didn't have the one they showed here, the 100% cocoa. I was thinking it'd be more like a drink mix, but here, hot cocoa mix. Now, I had a hot cocoa mix, but it wasn't Hershey, so I put it in a little bowl for you. But I wanted to try at least one of the powders, so let's give it a shot here and see if the powder actually mixes and how nice it mixes. All right, so there we go. Now let's take this. Ooh, that's really dark. Look at that. Let's put in 1, 2. Let's really push this machine to its limit. Okay. Ooh, I hope we have just a powdery mess here. Let's see. Here we go. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. It's right at the rim of the top of the cup. It's so dark that it matches the actual unit itself. All right, here we go. Did it mix or did it not mix? We shall see. Let's take this out. Oh, that does look good, doesn't it? Okay, let's get the spoon. Let's clean up the spoon. Here, while that's going on, let me just make one more with the cocoa hot chocolate mix. Although I'm not going to heat it up again because we've tried that. It is a little bit better when it's heated up. Cool little bubbles on there. Look at that. That's worthy of a zoom in here. Let's just give this a quick buzz again. Come on back. Too far in. All right. Now I'm going to put this here. I'm going to stop talking while I fix the one in the back. And watch that. That's pretty cool. Okay. That's one scoop now, and this is scoop 2. That's cool. It's like it's a bubbling cauldron of chocolate. It's got a unique frothy layer to it. Look at that. Very cool. Now that's unsweetened. Ooh. I guess you need sweetened drink mix like I thought. But let's do this with this one here, since I'm not going to drink this one. Let's just pour it out and see, before I do the last one here, if it's mixed. All right, here we go. Yeah, no powder lumps. So that worked good. Let's do this one that's got a little flavor to it. Oh, I just spilled. And there's a marshmallow. I think this mix had, this mix had marshmallows in it. I must have just got one. Okay, I made a mess. That's good. Now we know the video's been successful because I made a mess. Oh, there's a piece of... How'd that get in there? What is that? It's on a regular pack with no color. Don't know. Let's give this one a taste. All right. More than a taste. Very good. So the powder mixes work great. These syrups work great. You could probably do strawberry, any flavor you want. The only thing is it makes a really small chocolate milk. But other than that, it worked great. And there you go. Tested. It works. And thanks for supporting the channel. And thanks, everybody, for watching my videos. You know, I get a common comment here. Why is your channel doing so poorly? Well, we could say 99% of that is how YouTube manages channel creators, content creators now. It's pretty sad. It's not me, it is them. That's for sure. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting Lucky Penny Shop. Later!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave!
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up!